Can you draw a roadmap for our audience, like step by step, if they want to pursue studying abroad in whichsoever domains or subjects, what should be their process of starting the preparation, and how should they be selecting colleges, universities outside?
I think I always say that study abroad for me, Mitali, is all about right country and right course.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start backwards. First, you finalize what course you are most passionate or interested in. Now, it's very easily said this way, and we know that students are these days are confused or not sure what course they want to study. So they should know that this is my bachelor's degree and these are the fields that I can go into. So if you are confused, just see the spread that what all courses you can pursue with the kind of background you have, and then choose one course based on the various traits of that course, right? So if you know what you want to do, fantastic. If you don't know, then just know what courses are available and choose one course which, let's say, superficially is appealing to you, right? So once you decide what course you want to do, then you decide what country and country's ecosystem is best to give you that exposure in terms of education as well as job. Because some countries are great in education, but they would not let you come back to your own country. Some countries would say study as well as work. Some countries study, work, and eventually you can settle, take a permanent residency. So country is again objective based, right? You say that I want to do a job for 4 years, and some odd consultant lacking knowledge sends you to the right course but sends you to a wrong country because the country wants you to move back after the course completion, back to your home country. So in that case, your objective is not fulfilled.
Yeah.
So right country, right course, and the moment these two things are finalized, then according to the country you go through test preparation. Like every country inevitably would demand for an English test.
Right.
So you have to go through IELTS or TOEFL, right? Once you get through these tests, then you apply. So application is again a month or 2 months time, right?
Right.
And then once you get the admission or scholarships or whatever, then you go for the visa
application.
Right, and then you find your accommodation, then you take a flight, move in, and then start going to college. So I think in the worst case scenario, you need at least 1 year to execute test preparation plus application process and visa. And then they should know that what are the intakes, various intakes in that particular country or university. Like commonly, every country would have a August, September intake and January, February intake, right?
Right.
So the roadmap is, it starts with the country and the course, and then test prep, and then application, and then visas.
Okay.